Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director feature. In this video, we'll explore how to keep your data in sync across systems using the Synchronize service. This feature ensures your data stays consistent between Google Sheets and other applications. Here's how it works. Choose the application to synchronize. Select the Synchronize service. Configure filters and date ranges if needed, or skip this step. Select the synchronization keys, mandatory. Choose the conflict handling method, App Wins or Sheet Wins. First, we'll see Google Sheet Wins. Run the synchronization and review the summary. Click Sync Now. After execution, successfully synchronized records will display Synced Successfully. Existing matched records will display Already Synchronized. Now, we will see App Wins. In App Wins option, recent data from the app will be updated in Google Sheets. Run the synchronization and review the summary. Click Sync Now. After execution, successfully synchronized records will display Synced Successfully. Existing matched records will display Already Synchronized. With the Synchronize service, you can keep your data aligned across platforms automatically, reducing manual effort and avoiding inconsistencies.